Today I wanted to talk about what kind of tools you should buy if you have nothing, whether you're starting out in DIY or have goals to be a pro. First up, Cobalt Tools from Lowe's, their 286-piece mechanics hand tool set. This set comes complete with a carry-all case, Allen wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, bit, and a handful of wrenches at the retail price of $159. This kit lacks individual screwdrivers, pliers, and anything that could be a complete wrench set with only 14 in total. It will most likely only get you far enough to be in trouble, but it looks like it'll handle most minor tasks. We cannot recommend this tool set. Next on the list is the Craftsman 268-piece 3-drawer mechanics tool set. Once again, coming in a hard case with pull-out drawers, a feature that is certainly nice but doesn't make up for poor variety. While the tools in the set appear to be of decent quality, the wrench selection is worse than Cobalt and comes in at a higher price. Retails at $249. This set needs to go back to the drawing board. Next on the list is the WorkPro 408-piece mechanics tool set with 3-drawer heavy-duty metal box. This item is the most complete off-the-shelf set that I could find, including a crescent wrench, a ball-peen hammer, handheld screwdrivers, and pliers. The downfall is that this is an online purchase. I have no idea if or where you can warranty these tools should you happen to break one, but if you're really after is the most complete set in one box, this is it. If you would like me to purchase this set and do an unboxing video, comment below. Number 4 on the list is the Crescent CTK 140 CMP Mechanics tool set. With the lowest tool count on the list, this set adequately avoids duplicates while ensuring that you have every size that you need, featuring one of the better extension choices and a complete wrench set. However, it lacks screwdrivers, pliers, featuring a retail price of $240.99. This is the worst value on the list. Number 5, Pittsburgh 301-piece mechanics tool set. This set features the widest variety of sockets, screwdrivers, and specialty bits. This set goes up to 1.25 inches and is probably the best selection for diesel or equipment. It does include a variety of wrenches, but not nearly a full set. With a price point of $199, it may be the best bang for the buck on this list. Number 6, next on the list, the Gearwrench 239-piece mechanics tool set and 3-drawer storage box item number 80942. Gearwrench being a personal of my favorite tools, I can feel certain the sockets are of good quality and adequate variety. It has a good range of wrenches along with a 1/4-inch drive-type magnetic screwdriver and a variety of bits and Allen wrench set. Once again, this is a good start but nowhere near complete. It also comes in a 3-drawer hard carry case but definitely lacks any kind of real screwdrivers or pliers. With a cost of $214, the appeal is a little lackluster. All the kits that are available for local purchase are left wanting. The final option is to assemble your own tool kit. Almost all of these lack hammers, pry bars, or any kind of test light, all necessities for repairing your vehicle. In an upcoming video, I will highlight a list that will maximize the value of your dollar while ensuring you have everything you need to accomplish your task. I think that in my mind, the best option is either the WorkPro or the Gearwrench, as they're the only ones that adequately display the variety needed for most repairs.